Welcome to week 2. I'm going to review all of the assignments for this week. There are a total of 5 assignments this week. 3 will be before class and 2 will be after class. So I'm going to go into detail on all 5 of those. The first assignment is the ISTE Empowered Learner. You're going to watch 3 videos from ISTE about what it means to be an empowered learner. And these are interviews with teachers and students. So you want to write down a few ideas. Just a short list. This is not a long assignment. And you can either type that short list into the right submission box, or if you hand wrote it, you can even just take a picture and upload it into Blackboard. So let's take a look. All right, so you can get to week 2 by pressing on week 2 to 6 on the left, and then pressing on the folder week 2 Empowered Learner. And then the assignments are numbered, so you can see that, okay? The first assignment is ISTE Empowered Learner. And you're going to watch these videos, and as you watch them, write at least 2 video ideas from each video. I'm not sure why they're not. There they go. Okay. They're embedded, so you can watch them straight from Blackboard, or you can pop out into YouTube if that's better for you. But they're just 3 videos for teachers and their students. And you can either type the ideas into the right submission box, or if you handwrite your ideas, you can just upload a picture. The second assignment is a learning module on flipped and blended learning. This also has a lot of videos. With educational technology, it's really important to see it in action and to not just talk about the theory. So you will notice some weeks there will be a lot of videos that I'm asking you to watch. There are also 2 articles, one on flipped and one on blended learning. You're going to post 2 ideas for flipped learning and 2 ideas for blended learning into Blackboard. And then you're going to post comment onto our Slack channel, flipped or blended, based on the articles that you read. The second assignment is a learning module on flipped and blended learning, and there are a number of videos and images to look at, and there's also some embedded tasks to complete. And all you do for this one is just page over to the next video or the next activity. The third assignment is a slide deck of resources on empowering students through choice. So these are resources that I put together for you. And I just want you to review them and then be prepared to share and discuss them at the beginning of class on Wednesday. The third assignment to complete before we meet in class is empowering students through choice. This is a slide deck of resources that I've put together for you. Okay, so you can see 4 different ways that you can increase student learning, and then links to resources. Please explore these resources and bring a couple thoughts to share and discuss when we meet in class. And then we have class on Wednesday. We will be reviewing what you've learned so far, but then I will also be showing you all the wonderful things you can do with Google Forms, because you'll be making a Google form after class. We'll be meeting at the same time, Wednesday, March 31st from 5:30 to 6:30. To log into our class, you just press Zoom Room here, and the password is 407ROCKS. Okay, so the fourth assignment might seem really overwhelming, but I'm going to walk you through it when we meet in class, and that is to create a short lesson and screencast it. That means you record yourself talking as if your camera were your students and you're teaching them a lesson. Now this is a mini lesson, so we're talking 5 to 7 minutes, that's it. So it should be something that you know really, really well, okay? A topic that's easy for you to explain, because there's some level of discomfort that comes when you first start screencasting, right? So you don't want to have to be worried about the lesson and the screencast. But just be patient with yourself and don't do too many tries. It's okay. We don't want to sound like a robot. We want to sound like a person. So it's okay if we make mistakes. It's okay if we pause. It's okay if we can't remember what we're going to say next. The fourth assignment is to screencast a mini lesson. In this folder, I have links to different types of screencasting softwares, and I'll talk about those in class as well. And the final assignment is a Google Form quiz. So we'll show you how to do this in class, and then you're going to create a 5-question quiz, and you're going to embed the video of your lesson into that quiz. And so the questions for the quiz will be based on the lesson that you taught. And that is the final assignment for week 2. So you'll create a short mini lesson on any topic, 5 to 7 minutes, and you're speaking to the camera as if you're teaching a class of students, and you'll post that video to your YouTube channel. The 5th assignment is to make a Google Form quiz, and then embed that quiz or embed this video into your quiz, and then I walk you through how to submit that. Right, well, if you have any questions at all at any time, don't hesitate to email me or send me a message on Slack. I'm here for you and happy to answer any questions that you have. Okay? Have a fantastic week.